people. This is Adam Gray TV, and it's the first annual live zoo show. Bethany Beats Zoo Show. First nominee, Jungle Bunny. Okay, so and then let's bring out his other people, friends that were in the zoo with him.
Bethany Beach and Smiley.
Yep.
Cameraman, nice job.
Third nominee.
Rep.
Third nominee is a very colorful dog.
He is so beautiful.
Okay. And fourth nominees. These two are elected the most beautiful of the whole group of shamans. But we're going to bring out their other siblings. And look at these.
They're relatives of them.
Yes. And for the last nominee, which I think, no, for the fifth nominee, Pikachu. Yes, and my favorite, Turtle. Okay, so please vote on YouTube. And I'm sorry this is only a 25 private video. This is only 25 because I don't want to have so many comments so I can't even count how much votes there are. So you, yeah, I'm talking about you. You vote.
Got it?
Got it?
Don't let us down.
Don't let us down, man. Or woman, whichever you are, whichever gender.
Bye.
Bye. Hi people, I'm Adam Gray. This is a new grape licorice and brown licorice and chocolate licorice. It's really good. You can eat it. You can play it with your friends, your cousins, your dog, your cat, your brothers, everybody. Yeah, and you can eat it. It's edible. It's really good. And it's edible. And it's only sold at Bethany, Delaware.